Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to cook your chicken legs or chicken thighs. It depends. If you have the thighs, you can cook the same way, or you have your legs, you cook the same way. So first and foremost, you wash them and put them aside. Make sure there is no water that is remaining. Get your saucepan or the whatever you have. Put it on a temperature like 6 to 7 depending what you want, and add in some margarine which is not the oil but butter. Add in butter, let butter melt. After melting, add in your chicken. When you add in your chicken, cook it for like until it changes the color. When it changes the color, add in every vegetable that you want. Like for me, I only added in the onions because my family doesn't want such vegetables in the sauce. So after, stir it, and afterwards make sure you use the right things that you want to use, right? So give it time until when the onions turn the color or the vegetables become a little bit softer. And when you're done that, you got your tomatoes. You can add in the tomatoes which are fresh, or you get it tomato sauce, or you get tomato puree. So you can choose what you want. And when you add in that, stir it a little bit, and as you're doing this, make sure you're looking for your ingredients that you're going to use for your chicken. Take anything that you want to eat, any kind of ingredients that you love to eat. The African me, I never leave Royco alone. I never leave curry powder from Uganda alone. So in every meal that I use them. So I use the chili, that was it. I used paprika, I used the simabari, I used the Royco. And after adding everything that I want, you can add in anything that you want. So after adding in everything that I want, I cover it and give it time. So I keep on stirring it and cover it. So after covering it, you come back later on and check. So that is my curry powder from Uganda as I'm adding it, and I'll add in Royco. So when you cover it, you give it time, and so that the tomatoes and the Royco and everything, the ingredients, mix together, and it becomes a little bit like a dry. When it comes to be dry, it will be dry, like it comes dry. So when it's dry, as you see here, then get your milk or get your food cream, cooking cream, and add in. So for me, I'm going to use only the food cream this time, but sometimes I use even the milk. So I'll use that, and after putting in that food cream, I will cover it. I'll give it up to 10 to 15 minutes to check it again and see if it's ready. When it's ready, it's then ready to serve. As you're doing that, you have your food there. For me, I used the rice this time, but you can use it for, actually the plan was we should have a conflict of pommes chips. I think it was chips that was supposed to have, but then we didn't do that. So we had rice on that, but you can use any kind of food with this kind of sauce. So cover it up and then open. That is when it is ready to be eaten. It is ready to be eaten. As you see, our rice is there going to cook, and we were excited. I'll tell you, this food was delicious and I was very proud of myself. So if you want more about food, please comment and don't forget to share.